Are you tired of the daily grind, the endless cycle of waking up early, rushing through breakfast, and battling traffic just to spend hours in a cubicle? Does the monotony of your routine leave you feeling drained and uninspired? Do you dream of being your own boss? Imagine having the freedom to set your own schedule, to work on projects that ignite your passion, and to build something that is truly yours. Picture yourself turning those daydreams into reality, where your ideas come to life and your creativity knows no bounds. Imagine waking up excited to work on your own terms. It's possible. Envision starting your day with a sense of purpose, sipping your morning coffee on your patio, and diving into work that you genuinely enjoy. The flexibility to work from anywhere, whether it's your cozy home office or a beachside cafe, is within your reach. Turning your side hustle into your main gig is a dream many share, and I'm here to tell you it's achievable. Many successful entrepreneurs started with a simple idea, working on it during evenings and weekends. With dedication and the right strategy, you can transform your side project into a thriving business. Many people are finding fulfillment and financial freedom by turning their passions into profitable businesses. You can too. Whether it's crafting handmade products, offering unique services, or creating digital content, there are countless opportunities to monetize your skills and interests. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. It's time to unlock your potential and design a life you love. Let's get started. Set clear goals, stay motivated, and surround yourself with a supportive community. Take that first step towards your dream and watch as your hard work and determination pave the way to a fulfilling and prosperous future. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Embrace the adventure and start building the life you've always wanted today. A side hustle is more than just extra cash. It's about exploring your passions. What makes your heart sing? What are you naturally good at? Your side hustle should ignite your creativity and bring you joy. Think about the things you love to do in your free time. Maybe you enjoy baking, crafting, or writing. These passions can be turned into profitable businesses. Start by brainstorming your skills and interests. What are you good at? What problems can you solve for others? Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Once you have a few ideas, research, see what others are doing. Is there a market for your passion? Remember, the best side hustles are a combination of what you love and what people need. Now it's time to turn your passion into a business. Start small and test your ideas. Create a simple website or social media page to showcase your work. Offer your products or services to friends and family for feedback. As you gain confidence and experience, you can start charging for your work. Remember, every successful business started with a single step. My side hustle story. This is a journey of passion, perseverance, and transformation. I started my career in hospitality and travel, but deep down, I knew I wanted something more. There was a nagging feeling that I had untapped potential, a desire to make a broader impact. I often found myself reflecting on my future, wondering what else I could achieve. So I started a life coaching business on the side. It was a leap into the unknown, but I was driven by the idea of helping others find their path, just as I was searching for mine. I set up a small workspace at home, began taking courses, and started reaching out to potential clients. It was scary at first, but I was determined to make it work. The fear of failure was real, but so was my determination. I remember the sleepless nights, the anxiety before client meetings, and the constant learning curve. But each small victory kept me going. I spent nights and weekends building my business while still working my day job. It was a balancing act, juggling my passion for my career with my new venture. My days were long and my weekends were filled with client calls, YouTube editing, business planning, and endless to-do lists. It took time and effort, but eventually my side hustle became my main stage. The hard work paid off and I transitioned from a corporate worker to a full-time life coach, celebrating milestones, seeing my clients succeed, and knowing I made a difference. It was all worth it. My journey taught me that with passion and perseverance, you can turn your dreams into reality. Overcoming the challenges. In this section, we will delve into the various hurdles that entrepreneurs often encounter and how to effectively navigate through them. Building a business is hard work. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a lot of late nights. You might find yourself working in unconventional places, like on the train, on your way to your corporate job, or from your kitchen table late into the night. You'll face challenges and setbacks. There will be moments of frustration where nothing seems to go right. You might feel like crumpling up your plans and starting over, but don't give up. Every entrepreneur faces obstacles. These challenges are a natural part of the journey. It's how you overcome them that defines your success. Time management is crucial. Organizing your tasks on a whiteboard or planner can help you stay on track. Breaking down your goals into manageable steps makes them less overwhelming. Learn to prioritize your tasks and set realistic goals. Checking off tasks on your to-do list can give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. Utilizing project management tools can streamline your workflow and help you stay organized. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Seeking advice from colleagues or mentors can provide new perspectives and solutions to problems you might be facing. Collaboration and communication are key components of overcoming challenges. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Each success, no matter how minor, is a step towards your ultimate goal. Stay confident and keep pushing forward. Your resilience and determination will lead you to success. The power of community. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your vision. Connect with other entrepreneurs. Join online communities and attend local events. Sharing your journey with others can provide invaluable support and motivation. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Ready to take the leap? Turning your side hustle into your main gig is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and believe in yourself. The rewards are worth it. You deserve to wake up every day excited about your work. You deserve to live a life filled with passion and purpose. Take the leap. Join the movement. Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? Share your side hustle story in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration on creating a life you love.